Discover the beat. Understanding club remix in music. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might hear a lot if you love music: club remix. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how it's used. Whether you're a music enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place to learn. The phrase, club remix, is made up of two words: club, which refers to a place where people go to dance and listen to music, and remix, which is a version of a song that has been altered or mixed again from its original form. When we say club remix, we're talking about a song that has been edited or adapted specifically for a nightclub environment. These remixes usually have certain characteristics: a faster tempo, a more pronounced beat, additional electronic sounds, designed to be dance-friendly and energizing. So why do musicians and DJs create club remixes? There are several reasons: to revitalize an older track by giving it a new twist, to reach a new audience who frequent clubs and enjoy dancing, to showcase creativity by adding new elements to a song, to take advantage of the club's sound systems, which can enhance different aspects of a track, to keep the club's energy high with a continuous flow of upbeat music. Creating a club remix involves several steps. 1. Selection of the original track. A DJ or producer chooses a song that they believe has potential in a club setting. 2. Adding new beats or sounds. They incorporate new musical elements that align with the clubbing experience. 3. Adjusting the tempo. The speed of the song is often increased to match the energy of a nightlife setting. 4. Final touches. Effects such as reverb, bass drops, and electronic harmonies are added to create the final club remix. Now, let's look at how to use club remix in conversation. You can say, "I love the club remix of this song, it's so energetic. The DJ played an amazing club remix last night that had everyone dancing. Do you have the club remix version of this track?" I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what a club remix is and how it fits into both the music world and English vocabulary. Next time you're at a club or listening to a music streaming service, you can impress your friends with your knowledge of this cool term. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos on English language learning.